Hi everyone, my name is Norman. I run the blog nimbleneedles.com, and today I want to show you how to knit the longtail pearl cast on. Casting on purlwise is a great way to create perfect edges for ribbings and other patterns. It's just as easy to knit as the longtail cast on, so let's dive right into it. So before we start, I quickly wanted to show you two little cast-ons. This is the standard longtail cast-on with the knit stitches, and here we have the longtail pearl cast-on with the pearl bumps. And you might wonder, well, hey Norman, why do I need to cast on purlwise anyway? Well, I tell you why. After you cast on, you usually turn your work around. And when you turn around the standard longtail cast on, you will suddenly see these pearl bumps. And if you knit across, you will actually create a garter stitch edge. And if you don't want that, well, then you have to cast on purlwise, because if you turn it around, then you have these beautiful knit stitches and you will create perfect stockinette stitch if you knit across. So let's start casting on. If you watched my videos before, then you might already know that I almost always cast on with 2 needles, as this creates a much stretchier edge. You can also use a bigger needle for the cast on, or just 1 in case you are a very loose knitter. For me, it's 2 needles. Just like for the normal longtail cast, you need to set aside a little tail of yarn. As a rule of thumb, set aside 4 times as much yarn as your final project should be wide. So first we need to create a little slip knot. I always do it like this. I will link you my full tutorial in the description below in case you need to catch up. So far everything is the same as for the normal longtail cast on. And then you need to get into this position, which some say looks a bit like a slingshot. For the normal longtail cast on, you would dive in from below and then grab the yarn towards your index finger. Well, we're not doing that, but a very similar motion. We are diving in from above. So insert the needle or needles into the loop around your index finger from above and behind. And now grab the loop around your thumb from below and pull it through. Remove the index finger from the loop and pull tight. From here, pull the needles towards you, creating another loop around the index finger. And we'll do it one more time. Insert the needles into the loop around your index finger from above and behind. Grab the yarn around your thumb from below, pull through, remove your index finger and pull tight. Again, insert the needles from behind, grab the yarn, pull through, remove the index finger and pull tight. And just like that, we created these cute little pearl bumps here. This method is perfect for ribbings of any kind. In this case, you have to alternate knit and purlwise cast-ons. Let's quickly show you how to do that. So we cast on 2 regular stitches, 1, 2, and then we switch and we cast on 2 purlwise. 1, 2. Then we switch again, 2 knit stitches, 1, 2, and then 2 purl stitches again, 1, 2. Let's quickly show you how this looks like. So here we have the pearl bumps, then we have the knit stitches, pearl bumps, knit stitches. And this is perfect for ribbings. So I really don't know how well you will be able to see this, but here are some socks I recently knit. And I cast on with this technique, so I alternated pearl and knit stitches, and that's how the cuff looks like, I think it creates a very, very neat and beautiful edge. And here we have a swatch and stockinette stitch. This is the very, very neat knit side, and on the purl side you have one continuous purl line, so definitely something you should consider. Anyway, that's it. That's how you cast on purl stitches. I really hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my explanations. Leave a comment if you get any questions, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!